All right, so to turn off call forwarding on Android, there's a couple of ways to do it. If you're on a Pixel or Motorola phone, we can go to the Phone app, tap those three lines up here, and go to Settings. Then, once you're in the settings, we can go to Calling Accounts. Here I see my SIM card, so I'll tap that, and under here we have Call Forwarding. So here I can set the rules for call forwarding on my phone for each scenario, whether it's always forwarding your calls or only when the call goes unanswered, for example. Another way to do this would actually be to use the keypad. Carriers have specific codes you can use to erase all call forwarding settings, and on T-Mobile, for example, I would dial ##002#. I'll hit call, and it'll tell me call forwarding erasure was successful. So this is the way to reset call forwarding with simply dialing up a code. The code depends on your carrier though. You can look them up on Google, but something like Verizon, for example, would be *73. So check the code for your carrier and then call that code. Nice, quick, and easy. Anyways, that's how you turn off call forwarding on Pixel and Motorola. Click that like button if this video helped you, share with a friend who needs help with this, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, till next time.